If you thought smart glasses were just a cool experiment, 2026 might completely change your mind. The upcoming Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses Gen 3 are already generating serious buzz, and while Meta hasn't officially unveiled them yet, multiple leaks, FCC filings, and insider reports are painting a very interesting picture. So let's break down everything we know so far about the next evolution of Meta's AI-powered eyewear, and why this could be the biggest upgrade yet. First, the biggest confirmation comes from regulatory filings. Two new models under the Federal Communications Commission database were recently spotted: Ray-Ban Meta Scriber RW7001 and Ray-Ban Meta Blazer RW7002. FCC listings usually appear very close to launch windows, meaning these products are real and moving toward release. One major detail revealed in these filings is Wi-Fi 6 support, which is a significant upgrade. Compared to previous gen connectivity, Wi-Fi 6 offers faster data transfer, lower latency, and better performance in crowded environments, especially useful for live streaming, AI processing, and cloud-based features. Now let's talk battery life, because this is where Gen 3 is expected to make a noticeable jump. Current generation Ray-Ban Meta glasses offer around 4 hours of moderate use, but leaks suggest Gen 3 could push 6 to 8 hours of active usage. That's potentially up to double the endurance for certain tasks. There are also rumors of an upgraded portable charging case similar in concept to wireless earbuds that could provide multiple full recharges on the go. Some reports suggest the Blazer variant may come in multiple sizes, which could help optimize battery capacity and fit. Performance is another major focus. Insiders point toward a new Qualcomm Snapdragon AR-class chipset, which would significantly boost AI responsiveness, voice processing, and on-device computing. This could enable more advanced real-time features like contextual recognition and object awareness. One rumored capability being discussed internally is something called super sensing, which would allow the glasses to remember what you've seen and provide contextual information later. For example, if you looked at a restaurant earlier, the AI might recall it and give you details when asked. While this feature isn't confirmed, it signals Meta's push toward deeper AI integration. Speaking of AI, Gen 3 is expected to lean even harder into Meta AI. The current generation already allows voice queries, photo capture, and live streaming to platforms like Instagram and Facebook. With stronger processing and Wi-Fi 6, we could see faster AI replies, more natural conversations, and possibly even improved translation or scene understanding. Everything points toward these glasses becoming more of a wearable AI assistant rather than just camera-equipped eyewear. Design-wise, Meta is reportedly working on multiple form factors. Like previous generations, they're expected to continue partnering with Ray-Ban for classic styles, including sunglasses and prescription-ready frames. However, leaks also hint at more experimental models, potentially including display-equipped variants. It's worth noting that Meta already introduced a display-enabled version in late 2025 under the Ray-Ban branding, which featured an in-lens visual display. Gen 3 could either refine that concept or introduce a premium tier with subtle heads-up information overlays. Weight hasn't been officially confirmed, but maintaining comfort will be critical. The current models balance cameras, speakers, microphones, and batteries without feeling overly bulky, and Gen 3 is expected to continue that trend, despite adding more powerful internals. Improved microphone arrays and better spatial audio performance are likely as well, especially as Meta pushes immersive AI interaction. As for release timing, most industry speculation points toward a reveal at Meta Connect 2026. Historically, Meta has used this event to debut major hardware announcements. If that pattern continues, we could see Gen 3 unveiled later this year, with availability possibly landing in late 2026 or early 2027. Of course, privacy will remain part of the conversation. Previous generations sparked debate due to built-in cameras and discrete recording capabilities. It wouldn't be surprising if Gen 3 introduces clearer recording indicators or enhanced privacy safeguards to address ongoing concerns. So, to sum it all up, Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses Gen 3 are shaping up to feature Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, 6 to 8 hours of battery life, upgraded Snapdragon AR processing, deeper AI integration, multiple size options, portable charging case improvements, and possibly display-equipped variants. While nothing is officially confirmed yet, the FCC filings and consistent leak patterns strongly suggest that Meta is preparing a serious upgrade.